So yun, bounce na kami ulit puntang south pa. And ready to go na. Let's go. Tara, hanap po nakakainan tapos sibat. Tara, punta muna tayo sa bayan tapos hanap tayo ng kakainan doon. Oras na ito. Let's go. Bye bye, Villa Esperanza. So ano pa lang ngayon, May 1 pa lang ngayon, Labor Day. Holiday, sana may mga bukas na kainan. Dito kami mamaya dadaan. Yan, tapos na kumain dito sa Rock Store, RAC Store ata. Let's go. Doon pa punta yung Tabon Cave, then Rizal papuntang south, tapos dito kami galing. Ngayon dito naman mukhang uulan na. Gonna rain. Bundok dumaan kahapon, kabilang side ng bundok na yan. Pero ngayon magkakape muna tayo. Kape. Teo's Pizza Cafe, shout out to you, Teo Pizza Cafe.
Cappuccino latte,
Opo,
junior lang po,
cappuccino
grande.
latte. Yung grande po.
Ano sa'yo, sir?
Caramel macchiato po.
Caramel macchiato po.
Caramel
Grande din
macchiato
po.
for today. Apo.
Yes. Ano pa po?
Coffee jelly na lang po pala.
Grande din po.
Opo, yun na lang po akin instead of caramel macchiato. Coffee jelly.
Baka gusto niyo po mag-pizza, chowlong, potato fries.
Pizza.
Potato fries na lang po. Ano pong potato fries?
Kain muna tayo kay Teo's Pizza. Yan. Ganda ng lugar nila.
Vlogger to.
Vlogger. Tara. Napatambay ng matagal-tagal dito sa kapihan.
Ano naman patay na ko mo?
Wala. Dito na tayo puwerto.
I'm nervous on the surface, I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa. But I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. Why do I still have hope? So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living existing when you can't see your God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers, they say to pray instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer.
Borlan. Ang daming akasya dito sa Borlan, malalaking akasya. Laki din. Meron pa. Grabe. Ayan mga Acacia Tunnel. Wow. Let's go sa tunnel. Okay. Nice, man. Nakakaya. Oh, lamig. Dito tayo ngayon sa Acacia Tunnel. Ayan o. Dadaanan mo yan, ganyan. Hanggang dun. Tapos malamig pa.
I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got.
Acacia Tunnel with the van overtaking on your back.
Talking to me with your eyes, I get a hint of the perfume that I like. Wear it like a disguise, I come around with the perfect alibi. Midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet, sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey, I'm glued to you, honey, yeah. Ooh, ah, ooh, I'm glued to you, honey, like ooh, ah, ooh, I'm glued to you, honey, like. I'm walking around with a smile, you got me feeling like curfew after 9. Tearing it up with the style, you got me living a brand new kind of life. At midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet, sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you.
Farm. Ayun yung mga makikita natin, mga rare species. Tara. Okay. Alright. Dito kami ngayon sa crocodile.
Okay na po.
Chuchu, ito yung
Thank you.
Tapos may mga schedule dito lang. Waiting na lang mag-start yung tour. Balat niya. Yung crocodile, hindi lata oh. Finish. Tapos meron dito yung saklan galing. Yan. Saklan. Laki. Saltwater crocodile pala siya. Tapos meron dun si Mar. Ay, may mga pangalan. Si Makmak.
Wala 1990. Ano na rin?
Ha?
1990 pa.
Tapos na dun sa crocodile. Tapos dito na sa nature park. Crested serpent eagle. Yan, yun sila oh. Pati yun oh, dalawa sila. Tignan natin to. Mas malapitan. Yun, nakatingin siya sa akin. Kruk kruk. Kruk kruk. Palawan porcupine. Yun sila, porcupine. Ay, wala pala. Yun, makain siya. Yun, kakarating lang dito sa Puerto Princesa. Saan nagstay? Bayview Pension. Tapos itong motor, babalik ko na muna. Slow. Babalik ko na kasi uuwi na ako bukas. So, kailangan balik ko na. So, yung renta ko pala dito, mga nasa 350 a day. Tapos 8 araw ko na ito ginagamit eh. Yan, Honda Beat. Ito yung ginamit ko sa pag-ikot sa buong Palawan. Enjoy ko itong Palawan road trip. Maganda yung daan, maluwag, lalong-lalo yung sa north. Yan, maganda talaga ito. Ganda mag-road trip, sobrang nakaka-relax. Kaya try kayo din mag-road trip dito sa Palawan. So dito ko pala kinuha kay J. Paul Joding sa motor. Babalik na natin. Sir! Ang nakita. Oo sir. So yun, kung umabot ka dito, maraming salamat sa panonood ng Palawan series. And more rides to come. So lakad pa uwi. Enjoy ko naman yung daan. Lakad naman kasi puro rides. See you next time.